Welcome back. We're doing a wig video.
We haven't done this in a long time.
The first time we tried wigs, we recorded that. We'll link it down below, but this is the second time.
Second time, we're gonna do it better this time.
Yeah.
Look at the packaging. Okay, I was saying they're really trying to look like some YSL, because look, it's YS. All you're missing is the L. Even like the way it's set up.
Video is sponsored by YSwigs.
Thank you for the hair, guys. Very excited.
We wanted colored wigs. They're so cute. When you open the box,
it came in a little bit different packaging.
comes with jewelry.
Yeah. We both got like necklaces. I don't know why they give you a necklace.
So cute. Most wig companies give you lashes.
Wig companies also sometimes they give you brushes, like
wig
brushes.
Yeah.
They have wig cap.
Wig cap, obviously.
We ordered the light cap color because every other color I get, when it's easier to go from light to dark than it is to make a dark cap look lighter. So I got some body wave. Guys, this hair is really soft.
And we got 150 density.
So it's not
the color
too
that I'm
thick.
dealing with today, guys. Excited.
It's not too thick. It's very soft. Like I really like.
This is like some of the softest hair we've gotten.
I really like this color. It's like
so
pink
nice.
almost. It's so
On
different.
camera, it looks different though.
It looks red.
More red. So we're gonna link the exact hairs that we got down below.
I'm gonna do what I got to do for this one.
We're so
She
bad
doesn't
at
have a
wigs.
wig cap. I mean a wig mannequin. She said she's gonna do it on her head. It does come pre-plucked, but you still have to pluck a little bit more. So this is what it looks like before you pluck it at all. So it's still pretty plucked, but I like my part to be a little bit thicker than this. Oh, it does come with baby hairs. Bless, what the heck?
I'm gonna start off by cutting off the excess lace. Definitely don't need all of that, so I'm just gonna cut around the perimeter of the wig.
And
Hairline,
if you don't have a tweezer, I mean you probably do have a tweezer, but let's say you don't have a tweezer and you're wearing a wig, you can always just pull the hair out. I'm gonna watch this and then compare it to our first one and see if we got better.
Wearing wigs doesn't have to be hard, you know? Like making it, customizing wigs. Should get into the habit of doing this.
We're both on our curly hair journey, like a healthy hair journey, and so we're not
straightening our hair.
We're not straightening our hair anymore. I'm trying not to even use gel in my hair anymore. This is a hair mask. Every time I want to straighten or gel my hair down, I don't gel it. I just use either like a leave-in conditioner to slick my hair back, or I use like an actual mask. Like I use the Afro-G mask and I mixed it with the Jamaican castor, the Jamaican black. What is it? The Jamaican one
Castor oil, right?
Is it Jamaican castor? I don't know. The Jamaican line from Shea Moisture. That mask was really good. So I mixed them two together and I just put in my hair.
Always have to make the setting to like the last setting because that's such a tiny head.
This hair is so soft. It's crazy.
I'm gonna wear my wig cap. It's my favorite part.
So this is what my wig is looking like. I don't know if I plucked it enough. Let me just leave it for now before I make her a bald bitch, you know? You didn't even pluck your hair yet.
Oh, just see it. Oh, it looks fun.
It's so nice.
Really?
Oh my god, I love it.
It's cute, huh?
It's so cute, yeah.
This.
This is so fun. Oh my god, I might get into wigs. So no wig cap for me.
You're supposed to got to be. Wait, let's blow dry it.
Are you okay? Yeah, you have to do it like that. Shit.
Teamwork makes the dream work.
I think I'm gonna make mine straight.
Not done yet, but this is the progress we're making. Not bad.
So now I'm gonna try to do some baby hairs. Thing is, we're so stupid. We only have one of everything. We only have one baby hair brush. We only have one mirror.
I'm just cutting baby hairs into my wig.
I love how thin this hair is. Well, it's not thin, but we ordered this density because when it's too thick.
Yeah, last time we made a mistake and we got excited. We're like the thickest hair, the longest hair, but like we realized you don't need all that to have nice hair, so just got thin hair. It's like the perfect. It looks realer.
Yeah.
More natural if it's thinner.
When it's too thick, too long,
Then it looks
it just
fake.
looks like, all right, bitch, we know you got some money or somebody hooked it up for you or something. But this company
has really good hair. Even though they're more of a like low-key kind of company, I don't see a lot of videos being made about them, but this hair is really good.
So I like these wigs.
Yeah.
I really like it, but like this one side of my hair is like not going down. Like it's not letting me shine.
Shout out to YSwigs.
Really like their wigs.
YS.
Cute packaging, super quick shipping.
All the links will be in the description box. Thank you again, YSwigs, for sponsoring this video, and
Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe.
bye.
Bye.